Today I'm going to teach you how to import and edit SVG files with Affinity Designer. This is incredibly useful when you want to customize vector graphics for your projects, whether you're working on logos, illustrations, or any design that requires scalable graphics without losing quality. Let's start by launching Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll need to create a new file. This sets up your workspace where you'll be importing and editing your SVG. Now look to the upper left corner of your screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Place. This option allows you to bring external files into your current project, which is exactly what we need for importing your SVG file. A file browser window will pop up on your screen. Navigate through your folders until you find the SVG file you want to work with. Once you've located it, click on the file to select it, then click Open. This tells Affinity Designer which file you want to import into your workspace. After clicking Open, your cursor will change, indicating that the file is ready to be placed. Click anywhere on the canvas to place the SVG file. The file will appear on your workspace, and you can now see it in full view. If the size isn't quite right for your needs, you can resize it by dragging the corner handles while holding down the appropriate modifier key to maintain proportions. Next, locate and click Edit Document in the top toolbar. This step is crucial because it switches your workspace into edit mode, allowing you to make changes to the individual elements within your SVG file rather than treating it as a single object. You can now edit your SVG file with various tools. If you want to add text to your design, look to the left sidebar and click on the Text tool. This lets you insert and customize text elements directly onto your SVG. If you'd like to add shapes to your design, click on the Rectangle tool in the left sidebar. From there, you can select your preferred shapes and draw them onto your canvas. These shapes can be positioned and combined with your existing SVG elements to create more complex designs. You can also change the colors of your SVG file. To do this, navigate to the right panel where you'll find the color picker. Click on it to open up your color options, allowing you to modify the colors of any selected element in your SVG file. And that's it. You've successfully imported and edited your SVG file in Affinity Designer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.